Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to block people on Twitter. So let's start. First, open the Twitter app. When the app opens, you have to search for the person you want to block. You can search them on your home feed and then go to their profile. Otherwise, you can search for that person by tapping on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. I'll search for the person. So I'll just tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and then tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and then type in their name. Then go to their profile. Now to block the person, tap on the three dots on top right corner and then tap on block and then tap on block for confirmation. And from now on you will not be able to see any of their tweets or updates. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and I'll see you in the next tutorial.